we have given 4 functions. First, we have to draw the graphs of these functions, and next we have to find the area of the region bounded by these curves. So let's first draw the y-x plane. We have here exponential functions, so we know the graph of exponential function is in first and the second quadrant, because we have e to power x, so our functions is going up. And to find 3 important points, we will put the table. We'll draw a table. And for x, we will take 0, because we have here x equals 0. Next, let's put 1, 3, and 4. Y is equal 2 times e to power x over 4. When we put for x 0, we will have e to power 0. E to power 0 is 1, so 2 times 1 is 2. Now we have to plug 1, so it will be 2 times e to power 1 over 4. We can use calculator. It will be 2 times e to power 1 over 4. This is equal to 2.56 approximately. Next, we have to plug 3, so it will be 2 times e to power 3 over 4. This is 4.23 approximately. And for 4, we will have 2 times e to power 4 over 4 is 1, so e to power 1 we have. So let's put this in calculator. We will have 2 times e to first power. This is equal approximately 5.43. So let's find this few points. We have for 0 value 1. For 0 we have value 2. For 1 we have 2.56. Our function going up. For 3, 1, 2, 3, we have 4.23. 3, 4, 5. This is approximately here. And for 4, we have 5.43. 5. So this is approximately our 4th point. We see that our graph going up. This exponential function e is greater than 1, so it's going up. This is our function y equals 2 times e to power x over 4. Next, we have to find y equals 0. Y equals 0. This is our x-axis. This is y equals 0. We have x equals 0 next. So this is our y-axis. This is x equals 0. And we have x equals 3. So this is our x equals 3 line. So we see that we got area between these 4 curves, and we have to find this area. This is our area. This area is between 0 and 3. So we have integration limits from 0 to 3. Our graph is above x-axis, so our area is equal definite integral from 0 to 3 of our y function. This is 2 times e to power x over 4 with respect to x. So this is equal. We can rewrite and put first 2 before integral symbol. And we will put e to power 1 over 4x with respect to x. So we can use substitution method to solve this integral. Let's put that u is equal 1 over 4x. So du is equal 1 over 4 dx. So our function will be 2 times integral. I don't change the limit, so I have to at the end come back to our substitution. So we have from 0 to 3, and we have now e to power u, and because we have here only dx, so I will multiply both sides by 4, so we have that 4 du is equal dx. So we have to put times 4 d, of course, du. So this is equal, 2 times 4 is 8. So we have 8. Integral of e to power u is e to power u. And now we have to put our limits of integration. So now we have to come back to our substitution. We have e to power 1 over 4x, 0 to 3 limits. So first we have to plug upper limit, so it will be 8 times e to power, let me put this in brackets, 1 over 4 times 3 minus e to power 1 over 4 times 0. So this is equal 8 times e, in parentheses we will have to power 3 over 4 minus e to power 0 will be, so we have 1. You can use calculator and we can find this value. We have 8 times, in parentheses, e to power 3 over 4 minus 1, close parentheses. This is equal 8.93. We can write. This is our area which we need to find, and of course, because this is area, so this is square units. This is my solution.